Hi guys, today we're going to install the 4K 12-inch mirror dashcam from Toguard. The model is called CE80B. The installation will be done in 2020 Toyota RAV4. Here we have our mirror. As I said, it's 12-inch, nice and big. In the back we have the front-facing dashcam. Speaking of which, some time ago we did installation of similar mirror, but with the OEM bracket, which worked perfectly for us. The only issue that we had is the front-facing dashcam could see this plastic piece, and there was no way to avoid it. Because of that, we decided to get this mirror, and as you can see, this dashcam can be extended. This mirror gets installed on top of the original using the straps. So it's gonna be like this. So we will install it this way, and this dashcam. This dashcam will go like that. So we hope that this way we'll be able to avoid the plastic piece. In the set we have the rear dashcam, it's full HD. This is a cable. This is the adapter for the cigarette lighter socket. 12 volts to 5 volts. Camera also comes with a GPS module. This way you'll be able to see the speed of the vehicle on the mirror, and it will also track where you are. What else? Here we have the rubber straps and cable clips used for the wire installation, and this is a mount for the not the mount but the tape for the rear camera installation. So first I will install the rubber straps on the mirror. These are the hooks used for installation, and now we can go like this and first find the position for the mirror. I think it's gonna be something like that, so it doesn't slide much. Now it just wraps around like this. Now we can adjust the mirror, and as I said, this dashcam can be slided out. Let's see if it's gonna affect our... Well, I mean, they do meet at some point, but it's still enough for you to use the sun visor, so I don't think it'll be an issue. The right one is perfectly fine. Alright, let's install the cables. So I'll start with the cigarette lighter power cable. This one gets installed right here. So for the wire installation, right now, for now, we'll just temporarily install them in the vehicle to demonstrate to you how it works. We already did the full installation of the cables of all wires in a different vehicle, and I will leave the link for that in the description. The installation of the wires will be identical. That's why if you want to see it, just click the link in the description. GPS will probably go somewhere on the dashboard, or you can also hide it underneath the glove box or inside the glove box if you like. So this is where the connection is done. Now the rear camera cable can be detached like this. This way it's easier to install it. And this is the port for the rear camera, like that. As I said, guys, set comes with cable clips, which is very convenient. This way you'll be able to easily organize your wires. The rear camera will be installed on this plastic panel. And once we turn on the camera, we'll see if we need to adjust it. And don't forget to connect the main cable. We have all our wires connected. Now I will start the vehicle. Our mirror starts up. And this is our rear view. By default, it turns on right away. I'll switch between both. This is our front view. Let's take a look. It's best to do it this way. So this is what we get now. You can still see the plastic box on the right side, but it's a lot better than it used to be. In our previous installation, this box was probably somewhere in the middle of the screen. So yeah, I can say that definitely this will provide us a better view for the front camera.
Okay.
By the way, this mirror has a voice recognition system. There are a bunch of commands which it understands. For example, turn off screen, turn off screen,
Okay.
turn on screen,
Okay.
show both cameras,
Okay.
show rear camera,
Okay.
show front camera.
Okay.
Pretty impressive, if you ask me. This is the list of all commands that this camera can understand. Right now I will quickly go through the settings and then we'll go for a short drive and I'll show you guys how it records the video. So to access settings we have to press this button. Here we can change the resolution. So currently, as I said, like the front camera has 4K resolution, which is great. This means that you'll be able to see license plate numbers more clearly. I mean, you can change it to Full HD, but you should not do it. So currently it says 1080p, 1080p. It means front camera and rear camera. We'll go back to 4K and 1080p for the rear. It has loop recording 1, 3 and 5 minutes. You can record, turn on and off audio recording. Dashcam has a G sensor. I'll set it to low. And it also has the, here it's called parking guard, but basically this means parking mode. Because dashcam has built-in battery, when you turn off the vehicle and there is an impact with something or somebody hits a vehicle, it will automatically turn off and record, it will automatically turn on and record the 30-second file. Here we can set the license plate number of your vehicle if you want. I'm not gonna do that. Screensaver, this is a video codec that it's using, frequency 60 Hz. You can mirror the image of the rear camera. You can change this, you can turn off the speaker, mute, low, high and middle, boot sound, you can turn that off, stream media, you can change the language, change the date and time, you can format the SD card from here. Set default settings. This is the voice commands again. If you forgot, you can look it up here. Currently it's on. Version of the camera. This is a GPS test. This will show how many satellites the GPS module currently see. Time zone, you can change that. Speed calibration, speed setting. This one will provide you the warning if you exceed one of these limits. Currently it's set to 160. let's leave it at that. Speed units, kilometers per hour, miles per hour. So I think that's it for the settings. I'll go back. Right now we'll go for a drive and show you guys how it records. So currently we have a rear view image. I'll quickly show you can actually adjust it. Go up and down this way. You can also adjust the brightness of the camera. This will be important when you drive at night. For now, set it up all the way. Let's go. So first of all, I want to say that the view that you get here, it's significantly wider than the OEM mirror. Turn off screen. So this is a view that we get with the OEM type of the mirror. Turn on screen. And this is the digital image. It's a lot wider. So from my experience, all your blind spots will be gone. Show both cameras. Show front camera. So for the front camera, I don't think I will be using this image a lot, because the main purpose of this mirror is to show you the rear image. Show rear camera.
Okay.
Alright guys, so I can see this blue vehicle here. I can still turn it off this way. In our OEM mirror I can't see it at all. One more time, this is Corolla on the left, and it's in my blind spot right now. I can't see it in my rear view mirror, but here it is. The fact that you can use the digital mirror as the OEM is very important as well. As I said, at night sometimes this mirror can get too bright and you can always turn it off. Turn on screen. So when we turn off the vehicle, you'll see this go into parking. This means that the parking mode was enabled. To sum it up, I think it's a great product. You have digital mirror, you have two dash cams that continuously record the video. The wide view angle allows you to eliminate all the blind spots. The front dash cam records at a very high 4K resolution. As you can see, we managed to significantly improve the situation with the plastic box. It's almost out of the way now. the rubber straps that hold the mirror in place actually work quite well. Even though I think that the OEM bracket would be a better solution, this one still works fine. Besides that, as we showed you, this camera has a speech recognition system. It comes with the GPS. So overall, my conclusion is you definitely should consider this product. Again, this is the digital mirror from Toguard. The model is called CE80B. I will leave the link in the description, so if you guys like it, check it out. And we'll see you in the next video.